Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Water Silver Dynamic AGM Battery A7. It's the E39 version of it. It's a start-stop and XEV car battery, 12 volts, 70 ampere hour, 760 ampere start battery for cars with high energy requirements, like the Audi A3 Avant or Sportback as well. We have here is suitable for electric and hybrid cars. Whether the start-stop vehicles or the electric and hybrid electric cars, this XEV, the water batteries guarantees the safety and reliability with regard of essential vehicle requirement today and in the future. And we have the best start-stop performance here. An AGM starts faster, works harder, and lasts longer. This ensures maximum fuel saving with a start-stop system. And we have here an ethane recycling proc. Thanks to the innovative and technologically advanced manufacturing process, newly produced water AGM batteries made of 90% of recycled lead. Wow! And original spare parts. As an original spare part, it ensures that the replacement battery has the same quality as the initially installed battery in our car. The ensures that the high energy demand on the extensive equipment is covered. And we have a triple cycle life. Thanks to the patented power of RAM technology, fast charging, compatibility, and higher corrosion resistance are ensured. The battery is heat resistant and convenience with the perfect cold start performance. And we can recycle our old battery because it's possible to get the new one out of it. But here it comes. Absorbent glass mat. That means AGM. The battery differs from a fluid load acid batteries is that the electrolyte is held in the glass mats, as opposite to freely fluiding the plates. The thin glass fibers are woven into a mat to increase the surface area enough to hold a sufficient amount of an electrolyte on the car for their lifetime. The fibers that compose the fine glass mat do not absorb and are not affected by the acidic electrolyte. These mats are worn out to up to 5% after being soaked in acid just prior to finish the manufacturing. The plates in an AGM battery may be of any shape. Some are flat, where others are bent or rolled. Both deep cycle starting type AGM batteries are built into a rectangular case according to Battery Council International. This is the BCI. That's the battery code specification. The AGM batteries are more resistant to self-discharging than conventional batteries with a wide range of temperatures. As with the lead-acid batteries, in order to maximize the life of the AGM batteries, it is important to follow the manufacturer's charging specifications, of course. The use of a voltage relation charger is recommended. There is a direct correction between the depth of discharge, this is DOD, and the cycle life of the battery, with a difference between 500 and 1,300 cycles depending on the DOD. And the Water Silver Dynamic AGM battery here is the right choice if you have an electric vehicle or if you have both an electric and an engine in your vehicle. And of course, for strong and start-stop powered cars like the Audi A3 Sportback. If your car, of course, has a 12 volt, that's connectable. 70 ampere hour and 760 ampere start peak. That's the Water Silver Dynamic AGM battery. You have to remove the covers. Then you can install it and remove all locked areas in it. Then connect them, each other, plus first, minus second, and you're back on the road with your car. You can seal it a little bit with a grease if you connect all parts, and of course you should relearn in the cars of OBD2 source. Then you can have fun with that and have a good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!